Hi friends, in this video we will be checking connection of submersible starter. Let me explain circuit diagram of submersible starter. So here you can see one circle, this is a motor. Inside motor we can see two windings, one run winding and one start winding. So there is one wire which is going outside from the run winding, that is a red cable. There is one wire which is going from start winding, that is a yellow cable. There is one more cable which is going outside from the motor, that is a blue cable. You can see that blue cable is connected to both run and start windings, so we can also call it as a common cable. This common blue wire, you can see it's connected to the neutral of the main power supply. The face of the main power supply is connected to the red cable which is coming from the motor. Then there's a capacitor that is connected to red and yellow cables which are coming from the motor. So that is the connection. It's very simple. Neutral of the main power supply we can directly connect to blue. Face of the main power supply we can connect to red, and capacitor we can connect to red and yellow. Okay, so these are the red, yellow and blue cables which are coming from the motor, these cables. So first I am going to connect this capacitor to this red and yellow wires which are coming from the motor, red and yellow. So here we can connect capacitor in this red and yellow wires. So this is a capacitor. So let me connect one end of this capacitor to a red cable, then the other end of the capacitor to this blue cable. So now capacitor connection completed. Then let me connect this neutral from the main power supply to the blue cable which is coming from the motor. You can see one blue cable here, nothing connected to blue cable. I am going to connect this neutral from the main power supply to this blue cable. So here you can see phase and neutral from the main power supply. So this neutral line, this cable, neutral cable, I need to connect here to this blue cable. Okay, done. So this connection also completed, this one and this capacitor. So the last one is this phase. So phase from the main power supply we can connect to a red wire. So this is a red wire. So the capacitor already connected to this red wire. We can see red wire to capacitor, this already connected. So we need to connect phase also here, this phase cable. So total 3 cables will come here. So let me connect this phase from the main power supply to this red cable. Okay, so done. So this is the connection. If you want a switch, you can connect switch here in this phase line. So let me remove this phase from here, then connect this phase to switch. So we need a switch. So here I am going to use this switch. We can use better switch. So for this demo I will be using this switch. Connect phase cable, phase from the main power supply to this switch. Then the other end of this switch we can connect to the red cable which is coming from the motor. So done. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video.